Hey miners, my name is Poria, and if you are planning to start mining cryptocurrencies in May 2023, then this might be the right video for you. Cryptocurrency mining can be profitable if you choose the right coins and place to mine. First of all, you should check the local regulations. Mining is banned in some countries, so you don't want to get yourself into trouble. Second, check the electricity price. For example, North California might be one of the worst options. Third, check the temperature of your mining facility during the year. Most of the mining equipment creates extreme heat, and cooling down is critical. Mining difficulty plays a crucial role in determining the potential profitability of mining a particular cryptocurrency. It is directly proportional to the amount of processing power and electricity required for mining operations. High difficulty levels can result in increased costs and longer wait times before generating a profit. When selecting a coin to mine, it is essential to consider both the difficulty level and the expected profitability. A lower difficulty level would mean less processing power requirements, which translates to lower electricity bills. However, it is important to note that less popular coins with lower difficulty levels may not bring in substantial profits unless their market value rises over time. Therefore, finding a balance between mining difficulty and profitability is critical. As you might have heard, Bitcoin comes first. Bitcoin has undoubtedly made quite a stir in the financial world since its inception. While it remains a popular choice among many cryptocurrency enthusiasts, the more people who mine Bitcoin, the harder it gets to mine. This is due to the cryptocurrency's algorithmic complexity, which makes it increasingly difficult to solve complex puzzles required for mining rewards. However, despite its challenges, Bitcoin is still considered by many to be the most profitable cryptocurrency in the market. So, if you're up for the challenge and have the resources to invest in mining equipment, Bitcoin might be just the thing for you. Next to mention is Monero. Monero is not just private and secure, but it also comes with an extremely attractive reward for miners. This decentralized cryptocurrency has a special proof of work algorithm that allows users to mine it successfully using a regular computer or laptop. The added advantage of Monero is that it requires less processing power than Bitcoin. This makes it easy to take advantage of the currency's mining rewards on a small scale. With its low startup cost, miners can enjoy the high rewards of Monero with a limited investment. For many enthusiasts, mining Monero has become the preferred choice due to its flexibility and profitability. But my personal advice is that if you want to kill your personal computer's CPU, go for this. Also, not all expensive CPUs are good for this. You will need to research your choices. The next coin to know is Litecoin. Litecoin is a peer-to-peer internet currency that allows fast, low-cost payments to anyone in the world. It is a cryptocurrency that is similar to Bitcoin but has certain unique features. For instance, Litecoin can process transactions at a faster rate than Bitcoin, making it a more efficient payment method. Additionally, some people believe that Litecoin is more secure than Bitcoin due to its implementation of segregated witness technology. This technology separates transaction signatures from the transaction data, allowing for more to be stored in block of the blockchain. All of these factors make Litecoin an increasingly popular option for cryptocurrency mining, particularly for those just starting out in the field. But mining Litecoin was never profitable for me. Apart from the top coins like Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin, there are many altcoins you can consider mining. Just keep an eye on the coin's market cap of the proof-of-work coins, understand the potential profitability and risk involved, and most importantly, don't forget the mining difficulty. I should say that this category is risky. Go to whattomine.com. It's one of the best tools you can check the status of rewards. You can find several coins that are mineable with ASIC miners or a simple computer, but it's critical to know the project. Many of those coins will never even make it even on electricity costs. My favorite altcoins to mine are KDA and HNS, which can be mined with many ASIC miners such as products from Goldshell. To know more about ASIC miners and their profitability, I suggest you check out asicsminervalue.com. Don't forget to enter your electricity cost first to get the real numbers. Besides choosing the right coin to mine, you'll also need to consider your mining equipment. Your equipment will have a big impact on profitability. Make sure you choose equipment that's efficient, cost-effective, and will eventually give you better returns. ASIC Miner Value's website that I mentioned is one of the sources where you can get updated info about the costs of each miner, but don't rely only on that. I will introduce more websites for your research in future videos. Once you've chosen which coin to mine and your mining equipment, you need to choose your mining software. Mining software is essential because it aids in the connectivity between your mining equipment and the blockchain, ensuring that you're able to securely and efficiently mine your chosen coin. If you choose an ASIC miner, then you will only need to find the right pool. But if you use a GPU mining rig, then you have to find the right mining application such as NiceHash or Cryptex. I refer you to g2.com to start with your research. Well, that wraps up our guide to the top coins to mine in May 23. With this information, you'll be able to make more informed and profitable decisions when it comes to cryptocurrency mining. Just remember to keep an eye on market trends and potential mining risks. Thank you for watching and happy mining.